Morning, Foray. Today is Wednesday, the 3rd of June, and today we have another very busy day ahead, actually. All right, so what is happening this morning? You will start your day with maths, guys. It will be, again, 3D shapes, but this time you will be sorting 3D shapes into different groups based on the properties. And no need to submit anything on Dojo. All right, second lesson will be science. Science, we continue learning about sounds, and this time, so last time we were talking about how sounds can be transmitted through walls or different materials. And this time, you're going to be learning about materials that may stop the sound from being transmitted, or how you can basically, stop the sound from traveling. All right, the third lesson will be ICT. Finally, we finished everything to do with PowerPoint, and this time we are going to be working with Scratch. Guys, you must make your own um, account, so set up an account. It's all in the PowerPoint presentation. Just watch the video, open the PowerPoint presentation, and you should be all set. And this time you will be just programming a couple of characters, and you will just record a very short video and show off what you've programmed. All right, your fourth lesson will be art with Miss Yelena, and the fifth lesson will be PSE for non-Muslim students, and others will have different subjects. All right, in PSE, we're going to be learning about teamwork and what makes a good team. So looking forward to that. No need to submit anything on Dojo. And the last one will be writing. In writing, guys, we're going to start learning about summary and how to summarize or how to write a story summary. But in this lesson, you're just going to try to write a summary about different poems. There'll be a couple of poems, and you will need to summarize it into like a simple sentence. All right? Okay, guys. So, what time will we meet today? We will meet in the last lesson because we have it all together. So we will meet at 1:25 today. I'm wearing kind of like dark red, so if you could wear dark red, if you don't have dark red, any red will do. So the code for today is either dark red or red, so don't forget to wear that for today's meeting. And the riddle, let me just get to the riddle. So the riddle for yesterday was, I am not alive, or I don't have a life, but I can still die. So the answer I was looking for was a battery. A battery is not a living thing, however, it may die. All right, different kinds of batteries. Right, so what did you guys comment? Battery, most of you battery. Trying to see if anyone actually said something different. A cell or battery, yes, a phone battery, iPad battery, laptop battery, robot, Mariam. Yes, a robot can die because its battery will die. Laptop, Patrick, yes, because laptop has a battery. Simra, an old apple, but an apple is a living thing because it's a part of a plant. But the riddle went, I don't have a life, or I don't live, but I can still die. But anyway, all of you commented battery. So I'm just going to tell you the riddle for today. Don't forget to answer it within the first period. If you're too late answering this riddle like at 11 o'clock, that means you were not there in the first period and I cannot mark you present. Anyway, the riddle for today is, what five-letter word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Once again, what five-letter word becomes shorter when you add two letters to it? Please leave your comments below my post. And the last part for today of this video will be inspirational quotes. Right, we read this one. Yes, we had this one. Whoops. Yes. Okay. So, in any moment, this is a really good one. In any moment of decision, when you're taking a decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The worst thing to do, the worst thing you can do when taking a decision is do nothing. Okay. All right. So many times bad things happen because no one is willing to do anything about stopping them. You might not even be able to stop something bad from happening by doing the right thing, but at least you tried. It could even inspire a comfort another person or comfort another person that you stepped up to do the right thing for. All right, so guys, sometimes, for example, when we witness bullying or something bad is happening, the right thing to do is step up and stop it. And the worst thing you can ever do is do nothing and just walk past. You see something wrong is happening, something really bad is happening, and you just walk past and you don't do anything about it. That is the worst thing to do. So always try to do something, stand up for people, do the right thing. All right, see you at 1:25 today, everyone. Have a nice day.